Hello and welcome back to a brand new Call of Duty Warzone tutorial on my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can fix lag on Warzone 4 and how you can basically make sure your gameplay is lag free and smooth. Now there's two different methods we're going to cover, and lag is very annoying because if you're trying to shoot and play the game and you're jumping around, you're not going to be able to compete with people that don't have lag. It can be very frustrating, and so the two different methods we're going to cover today. Firstly, we're going to try and look at reducing the amount of internet that the game is utilizing so that your gameplay is very smooth. So to do this, firstly, go onto Warzone, load it up, get into a game, and if you're lagging, find yourself a quiet spot in the ground. Now make sure you're nice and hidden because you don't want to die while you're doing this. And then once you're nice and safe, press the options button, the start menu, and bring up that menu. Press R1 if you're on PlayStation 4 and go all the way across to the settings cog, and then scroll down until you see graphics. Now when you're on graphics, on the left hand side, make sure you're on the middle menu and scroll down to on-demand texture streaming. Now what this is, you want to then change it from optimized to minimal. Now what this means is that the game itself is not going to render all of those textures in the distance. It's only going to render the essential ones, so the ones closest to us. Now this means that the game is utilizing less internet. So for example here, the close buildings are in plain sight view, they're perfect, but the ones very, very far away, they won't be rendered until it's necessary. And so by not rendering everything, the game is using less internet, meaning your internet can focus on giving you great connection and great gameplay for the majority of the time. So in essence, you're just reducing the amount of consumption of the internet and narrowing down that focus, and it can really help improve lag and stop lag on Call of Duty Warzone 4, which is going to be integral as we head forward into the busy season. And then another method to reduce lag and maximize gaming performance across all platforms is to use Hyperev. Now these are today's partners of the video, and it's a dual band Wi-Fi 6 router designed specifically for gaming, and basically it avoids heavy traffic routes and redirects you to dedicated pathways, meaning your connectivity and stability is enhanced, and it speeds it up as well. So it reduces latency, increases download speed. It comes with the router itself, nice and clean design, and then of course 2 Ethernet cables. So once you plug it in and power it on, connect your Ethernet cable to your actual wireless router, and then eventually the light will turn green on the Hyperev device, like so. Then connect your console to the actual Hyperev router device. Download on your phone the Hyperev app, connect to the Hyperev Wi-Fi on your phone as well, and you can basically open up the app, connect your PS5 in my case, which is very simple to do, bind and use, and then there'll be a button saying boost. Now what this boost button means is that whenever you select it, you're just upping the performance of your Wi-Fi, you're reducing the lag and maximizing all the connectivity points. So taking a look now, when I'm playing the game itself, we can actually see that there is no lag and everything is working perfectly. So the whole product is designed to accelerate gaming. Depending on what game you're playing, it'll also optimize for that game and those servers, which is super cool. So there's even been official esports teams like Exceed who have officially launched this co-branded jersey with Gear Up Booster in FC24. They've also got a Black Friday promotion going on right now, so the best time of year if you'd like to improve your connectivity using this method is probably going to be right now. So I've got a link in the description, please do check them out. And a big thank you to those guys for partnering up with us on today's video. And then the final method for reducing lag on Warzone 4, the brand new Warzone, is quite a simple one. It's simply to restart your router overall. So a classic on-off switch on the PS5 and on-off switch on the router, and just let it breathe for about 5-6 minutes, and sometimes that can reset all of the signals both ends, and your connection will obviously get better. If you're really struggling with lag, a classic thing that often gets overlooked is how far away is your PlayStation or your device as well from your router. So moving your PS5 or console closer to your Wi-Fi device will definitely help increase connection, and of course running via a wired cable is better than wireless if you're struggling for lag. I always play wireless, but yeah. So thank you very much for watching today's video. Take care and subscribe. See you soon.